away nyo na sumusuporta sa inyo na nandito. Of course, let's prepare a big toast for Scouts Royal Brotherhood. 40 years! Ladies and gentlemen, 40 years! Now, I want to welcome, of course, our founder, one of our founders, Jude Cristobal, ladies and gentlemen. So, sir, if you could just say something for...
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Happy 40th year anniversary sa Scouts Royal Brotherhood. So, actually, I am honored to be invited here, me and my wife, but still, we treat each other like brothers kahit hindi namin kakalala, di ba? So, ayun yung spirit ng brotherhood. So, maraming nagtataka, outsiders na, kilala mo na ba yan? Ang tanda na niya na. Paano na? So, we are brothers. Pero, anyway, ayun ang siguro the most important value na na-share namin sa inyo, yung spirit ng brotherhood among ourselves. Nasa Canada kayo, nasa Europe, nasa Pilipinas, whatever, pero kayong kilala. Di ba? And SRB, hindi yan small-time fraternity. It has been here for the past, ilang taon? 40 years. It means matanda na rin ako. Anyway, sabi ko lang sa inyo, just, pag nagsusunod kayo ng mga, we call it fracture, di ba? Scouts Royal Brotherhood, 1975. Hindi nyo lang pinagmamalaki yun, kasi may obligasyon yun eh. You have a responsibility. You are, you are bringing the name of the fraternity, showing to the public that you are SRB. So you should behave well. Diba? Wide thinking, they can always come to me for counseling, whatever. Pero yun nga, daldal ako kasi apo ako, so ako yung isa ako sa face ng fraternity. So always be conscious that you are SRB, pakita niyo sa public, act as a Boy Scout. Ano ba Boy Scout? Trustworthy, loyal, humble, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, reverent. Pinakamahirap doon yung thrifty. Pero, but still, they have to be like that. So, yung mga shirt, kaya ako bira ako sinusunod ko lang dyan, Mets. O kaya sa Lunes, gusto ko Blue Jays. Kasi pag nagsunod ako lang, hindi ano yun eh, di ba? Kahit yung mga plaka, yung SRB, kinap mo yung wow, SRB yan, kaya gano'n. So, parang ko sinasabi, bring honor to the fraternity. And after all, 40 years na yan, anong tao yan? They recognize na yan, 40 years. But yung iba, marami pa rin tanong. Pumasok ka ng SRB, ano pa matatanong mo? Nakita ko kayo ngayon. But, yung nangyari sa SRB, hindi yung, compilation siya ng mga sitwasyon, ng mga pangyayari, ng mga, may mga dahilan lahat. Nagkataon lang that time, kami ni Victor Maldel, we were there to answer the call, to address the issues. Kung sabi marami, pumupunta na sa amin yan. Gusto mag-apo. High school kayo, pwede pa kayo mag-apo. Collegiate kami. Sana ganun din yung SRP. Hindi kayo yung katulad ng ibang fraternity na kahit sino, pwede. Kahit yung nasa abroad na, AA, nag-initiate. Lagyan nyo ng konting exclusivity. Saka sana, pag SRB, hindi sabihin ko, mga pagugulo yan, or what? SRB, matulungin niya. Marunong. So hopefully, that's my challenge, and our challenge na, pagbutin nyo. Just, flat shirt, mabigat yun. Nakikita ko kayo lahat, dalawang flat shirt. Beyond that, may mga nakalagay na responsibilidad sa inyo. Okay? So kung maglalasing kayo, alam nyo na lahat, SRB, pakatin mo kayo. Okay? Maraming salamat sa inyo. Nice meeting you all. And it's a great honor for me and my wife to be here. Thank you.
But anyway, next, I would like to call SRB TCAA Internal Affairs Committee to come on down and share some yung experiences nila about SRB dito sa Canada. You know, it's been a long road sa atin, but I guess if you guys, it's worth sharing kung ano yung mga naranasan natin throughout the years. Let's go, brethren. Wala ba yung kamay? There you go.
Good evening, everyone. Shalom to all my brethren. First and foremost, I would like to thank God for this wonderful feast that we celebrated today, and to the food that we partake. And to all of you attending our 40th anniversary celebration here in Toronto, Canada. Also, our gratitude to our SRB founder, Brother Jude Cristobal, who flew all the way from the US with his First Lady, Dr. Eleanor Cristobal. I'm not sure I said it right. Thank you for graciously accommodating SRB TCAA in spite of their busy schedules. Thank you also to our Lady President, Sis Baby Manuel, for your hard work, time, effort, and financial contributions to make this a successful event. And of course, the helping hand of Brother Paulo, Brother Nico, Brother Dennis, Brother Alex, Brother Edwin, Sis Jen, Sis Des, and Brother Oliver, all the way from New Jersey. And to those who I've forgotten to mention, mga tol, maraming salamat talaga. You really bridged the gap for this event. Those silent supporters also, you know who you are, and the rest of TCA officers, my hats off to you all for a job well done. I would never forget to thank all our very own supportive spouses who are here today to celebrate with us. My sincerest thanks to you all. We are nothing without your love and understanding. Our special guest also from Apple, Mississauga, thank you for coming also. And last but not the least, our out-of-town guest from SRB Montreal, thank you for driving long hours just to be here with us, Brother Alex, Brother Dan, Brother Salvador. Welcome, and make sure you enjoy the night, okay? I'd like to share some of my observations with the group. I have witnessed the transformation of SRB TCAA and tourists from the small group of men and women in 2006 to an alumni association of 2015 who are capable to host an event like this and the ability to represent SRB in our global community. I want to say this again, and I can't stress that enough. All I can say is just be mindful of your actions and be respectful to one another as mature and professional SRBs. I have treated each and every one of you as my family members and as my brothers and sisters with utmost respect that you truly deserve. We have raised the bar and became our own model to our new generations of SRB here in Toronto, in the Philippines, and abroad. So whatever statement you post in public is somewhat the reflections of TCAA group in general because you agreed to be part of this alumni associations. We are SRB TCAA family, and each member has an obligation to protect the foundations of our group for us to withstand the test of time and for us to exist in the years to come. We are not the so-called high schoolers anymore. TCAA are now the professionals in our own rights. Each one of us is truly the spoke of the wheel in the unbroken circle of brotherhood. We are quality brothers and sisters, and I'm sure you all know that. We have come this far because of your hard work, commitment, and dedication as quality members of Scouts Royal, Brotherhood, Toronto, Canada Alumni Associations. Coordinations and cooperation is the key for us to be successful and competent alumni group. Let us all keep the traditions of LFS, to be a leader, to be a friend, and to render service to the fraternity and to our community. Lastly, sometimes I come across some SRB members who are lost with his or her obligations for some unknown reasons. As a sincere brother, I will leave you with this wisdom, and I'm sure some of the Masons here will know that too. in this house to be one is to ask one. Happy 40th SRB founding anniversary to all of us. Good evening and enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you.
Well,